made by men, and also messy men from your life with Manchild Spray Away. Available now.
So SABRiNA put out this new song yesterday. I was thinking I could sing it for you right now for the first time. It's called Manchild. You said your phone was broken, just forgot to charge it. Oh, I what you're wearing, God, I hope it's ironic. You just say you're finished, didn't know we started. It's all just so familiar, baby. What do you call it? Stupid, or is it slow? Well, maybe it's useless. But there's a cuter word for it. I know. Manchild. Why you always come running to me? Oh my, won't you let him in the storm with me? Never hurt yourself, have your brain just ain't that Manchild. Why you always come running, taking all my love from me? Why so sexy, lips so darling, how surviving, earth so loving. I'm not bad, it won't get done. I choose to hate your mom. Manchild, why you always come running to me? Oh my, won't you let him in the storm with me? Never hurt myself, have your brain just ain't there. Manchild, why you always come running, taking all my loving from me? Now boys playing hard to get, and I like my man, I'm incompetent, and I swear they choose me. I'm not choosing them. Amen. Hey man, I like my boys playing hard to get, and I like my man, I'm incompetent, and I swear they choose me. I'm not choosing them. Amen. Hey Manchild, why you always come running to me? Won't you let him in the Y reina, y reina, y reina, y reina, y guapa, y guapa, y guapa, y guapa, y guapa, y reina, y reina, y reina, y reina, y reina, y guapa, y guapa, y guapa, y guapa, y guapa, y reina, y reina, y reina, y reina, y reina, y guapa, y guapa, y guapa.
That's so nice. It's a lot of responsibility. Thank you. I was gonna say, guys, you don't know how slippery this stage is. It's like an ice skating rink. Because of how hot you are. Muy caliente. And that is the best you are going to get from me when it comes to Spanish. But I just want to say, give it up for my dancers, because like everyone is just rolling their skates. I was up there like running, like fuck if I eat shit. No, I didn't. How you feeling right now? There's so many of you. You guys back there, how are you feeling? And what about you guys back here? How you feeling? Well, I'm a very simple girl, and I like to stand on the side of the stage that is louder for me. So I